Over 14 million people in the UK have little ability to withstand financial shocks or even a small drop in their income. Many have poor credit scores or work part-time, so they don't have many options if they need credit. But CDFIs help them avoid exploitative lenders. Scotcash customer Mary lives with her young son.
I work with people who have experienced homelessness and addiction. I find it rewarding and it's part-time so I can care for my lad. But I earn around £900 a month, so any unexpected bills are a big challenge. I needed to get some work done on my car. I can't get to work without it, but it was going to cost £600 and I didn't have enough saved. I've borrowed from Scotcash before and they were able to help me again. I've never had any late payments or any issues repaying. I like to live and play within my means. I know that if and when I need a loan, Scotcash is there. And I like their approach. They take the time to ensure I can afford the repayments. It's much better and cheaper than the alternatives I could borrow from.
Sarah and her children escaped an abusive relationship.
It's difficult to tell you how debilitating the stress at the time was. On my own, with the boys, it was crippling. At one point, I was working several jobs. Then I had an interview for a job. If I got it, it would mean bringing home 3 times what I was earning. But you know, it's so difficult. The washer wasn't working, my options were non-existent. I saw a leaflet for Moneyline and checked them out. When I told them my circumstances, they were amazing. I expected them to say no, but they were so lovely, non-judgmental, and really understanding. They showed faith in me. It is no exaggeration to say at the time their support meant that I could keep my family together. I know that they're not the cheapest. They're taking a risk on high-risk people who need a break. But the stability I got from that loan to fix the washer, to give me that little extra to get sorted for work, they'll never know how grateful I am.
Sarah got the job. She's now in secure employment with decent pay.
When they transferred me those funds that day, they were saying, let's see how we can help. What a difference it made. What a relief. Now I can say, I've got this, and they've helped me to get to this point.
Karen was juggling part-time work with homeschooling, so her typical monthly earnings were around £800.
I used to earn more, but I've had to cut down on my hours because of lockdown so I could look after my son's homeschooling.
When she needed a small loan to help cover living expenses, she was determined not to turn to payday lenders.
I searched online for loans for people with adverse credit. Fair Finance came up and I noticed they have good reviews on Trustpilot, much better than payday lenders. I liked what they said about treating people with poor credit ratings fairly. They were easy to talk to and really helpful. And as I pay back their loan, I'm also improving my credit rating. I've had a payday loan in the past, and that wasn't a good experience. They add hidden fees, made it easy to top up your loan so you'd get deeper and deeper into debt. But Fair Finance won't let you get into that sort of hole. You can only have a second loan if you've shown you can repay the first. And they are much more transparent, so you know exactly what you're paying back.
Low-income households often face a poverty premium with higher charges for utilities and credit. But CDFIs save their customers hundreds of pounds in interest payments compared with high-cost lenders. CDFIs exist to make people's lives better, not worse.